Hello everyone, good morning. Today our topic is Olympic value education. In what we are learning in Olympic value education, we are learning about ancient Olympic games, modern Olympic games, Paralympic games, and Special Olympic games. Why we are learning about the Olympic games? Olympic is the father of all the games. The athlete who trained in a particular skill or a game, his ultimate goal is to reach to the Olympics by representing his country and get the medals in Olympics. Olympic value education and Olympic movement is related with the link between ancient Olympic Games and with modern Olympic Games. Development of competitive sport activities at various levels, including a Paralympic and Special Olympics, it has promoted the development of physical and moral qualities in athletes. To understand the Olympic movement, one must be aware about all the Olympic games which we conducted, ancient Olympic games, modern Olympic games, Winter Olympic games development. This movement also promotes and regulates the development of various games and sports at different levels. It has been explained in the given topic such as the ancient Olympic Games and modern Olympic Games, Winter Olympic Games and Asian Olympic Games. Today, Olympic Games are the world's most spectacular and greatest sporting festival of modern. Let's start with ancient Olympic Games. The origin of Olympic Games belongs to Greece. Ancient Olympic Games were participated in prehistorical period and continued for many centuries as Greece festival. The record says that first historic mentoring of games occurred in the year 776 BC. These games were played in the state of Athens near the valley of Apia River at Olympiad. Olympiad is an open auditorium. The games were held with religious customs in the honor of their god Zeus. The ceremony of Olympic Games begins from the new moon day in July after 4 years. Ancient Olympics conducted for 5 days in a order. In day 1 ceremony of in opening ceremony cultural activities conducted for the Greece. Second day amphibians like animal games will conducted in second day Olympics. Day 3 foot races, chart races and a combination of running, throwing, jumping which called as a pentathlon is conducted on the day 3. Coming to the day 4 like contact games, boxing, wrestling, sword fighting, all games are conducted in the day 4. Coming to the final day is the closing ceremony. It gives the prizes to the heroes. Prizes given to the winners were made from olive leaves. The famous heroes of the games were Honor with crown with olive eyes. Ancient Olympic Games came to the sudden end when the Roman Emperor Theodosius banned these games in the year of 394 AD. The glory of these games vanished with the time as runs are still present in Olympiad. Olympic Games are stopped for 1500 years after the Baron P. de Coubertin is the physical instructor taken the initiative to conduct the Olympic Games again. The revival work of modern Olympic Games was undertaken by the Baron P. de Coubertin. Baron Coubertin is an Italian family and settled in France. Planned in the Conference of Physical Education on 25th November 1892, committee is formed for IOC to conduct the modern Olympic Games in 1900. As the Gil of Delegates, modern Olympic Games conducted in 1896 Athens city. International Olympic Committee formed in 1894 and it have rights to conduct the modern Olympic games and control of modern Olympic games. Modern Olympic Games mandated by the IOC, International Olympic Committee. Since 1896, these games were held after every 4 years. Ancient Olympic Games conducted only in the Greece and surrounding of cities players will come and participate in ancient Olympic Games. Coming to the modern Olympic Games, all over the world's players will come and participate in Olympic Games to bring the glory of modern Olympics. There is Beardy Coubertin suggested Olympic symbol, torch, motto, and oath for Olympic Games. Olympic flag. Olympic flag was designed according to the Coubertin's suggestion in 1913, firstly flown to the Olympic Stadium in 1920, Amsterdam, Belgium Olympics. Flag consists of five color rings, circles interlinked with each other on white background. Colors of rings in the top blue, black and red and down yellow and green. Five rings supporting five continents. Blue Europe, black Africa, red America, yellow Asia and green Australia and Oceania. Olympic torch. First time an Olympic flame was ceremoniously lighted in 1928 at Amsterdam Olympics. The Olympic torch symbol the continuity between the ancient and modern Olympic Games. The torch used to kindle the flame at the host stadium is first lit by the sunrise at Olympiad, Greece, and then carried to the cities of games by rally of runs. Olympic motto. The Olympic motto is CTS Altius Fortius, which means to perform for the fastest, highest, and strongest competition. This motto was pronounced by the Baron P. de Coubertin at Paris Olympics in 1900. In the same year 1900, women's participations also started in modern Olympic Games. Coming to the prize, in ancient times, the Olympic heroes were awarded with olive crown, but in modern Olympics, they are rewarded with medals and certificates. First position receives gold medal, second position gets silver medal, and third position gets bronze medal. Up to the first six position, they also get certificates. Any rules and regulations regarding games are at set by International Olympic Committee. They had the the head of IOC is at Lucania, Switzerland. Olympic oath. Olympic oath is taken by the athlete of the host country. He holds the corner of the flag on the behalf of all competitors. The oath is as in the name of all the competitors, I promise that we shall take part in the Olympic Games, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern by them, committing ourselves to sport without doping and without drugs, in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the glory of sports and the honor of our teams. Nowadays, sports has become a very professional and there is a lot of fame and money involved in the sports. Thus, athletes and players sometimes choose illegal methods to achieve this. Many times they like drugs and to enhance their performance. All unnatural methods of enhancing performance are banned in Olympics. Today, IOC is strictly following its regular checkup towards the drugs and sports. It also set up many laboratories to athletes for drugs. The testing laboratories are named as World Anti-Doping Agency. It conducts regular checkup to the athletes. IOC also provides technical help to set up various stadiums and provides latest knowledge related to the training of athletes. International Olympic Committee form a subcommittees in every country. Like in our country, we form a Indian Olympic Association. The first effort of forming national level Olympic Association came in 1919 by Sir Dorabji Tata. But this institution came to the end in 1927 when Indian Olympic Association was formed. IOA was formed in 1927 by Sir Dorabji Tata as a first president of Indian Olympic Association. Indian Olympic Association, how it functions. What the work of IOA? Indian Olympic Committee develops and promotes the Olympic movement and promote and encourage the physical, moral and cultural values among the youth and about good health and good citizen. To enforce all rules and regulations of games and sports national level competitions, they provide training and preparation of players for participation at international level competitions like Olympic Games and Asian Games. India honored the players, those who recognized by their outstanding achievement in performance in the field of sports and coaching with different sports awards. There are various sports awards. Some of them are also recognized by a government of India like Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Padma Shri, and these awards have many incentives for their recipients like cash amount and jobs. Dronacharya Award. This award was started in the year of 1985 on the name of legendary guru teacher Dronacharya. This award is given to the honor those to the coaches who successfully trained sports persons or team to achieve the outstanding results in international competitions. It gives their coaches for their hard work to produce top level sports persons. In this award, coach awarded with 5 lakhs rupees cash. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. This award launched in the year 1991. It is the highest sports award given to the sports person who achieved in the highest height of skills in games and sports at international level competitions. Sports persons honor with 7 lakhs 50,000 rupees this award on the name of late Prime Minister Mr. Rajiv Gandhi. Dhyanchand Award. The sports award was instituted in the year of 2002. The award is given for lifetime achievement in games or sports. This award carries a cash reward of rupees 5 lakhs. The award is in the name of legend Dhyanchand. Dhyanchand is a hockey player and his name we are celebrating Sports Day on August 29th. Arjuna Award. This award was first introduced in the year 1961. The award given to the sports personalities who excellence in game and sports for 3 consecutive years at national and international. The consists of 5 lakhs rupees cash, scroll, honor and statue of Arjuna. The award is decided by 10 members of committee, 7 Olympic players and their 3 SAI officials. It is given in the 3 categories: Olympic, Asian, World Cup, World Championship, Commonwealth Games and Cricket. Indigenous Indian Games and Physical Challenge Games are sports. Chacha Nehru Sports Scholarship is given for the sports talent started from 2005 onwards. There are 50 scholarships each year at the rate of rupees 500 per month to all identified sports talented based on performance at national level. Various disciplines of CBSE inter-school competition. The scholarship will be provided to the bona fide students up to the class 12. This is all about the Olympic value education. Thank you.